guys, so I just poured some water. I just also had a shower. So it is so cold outside, you guys. It is finally getting colder. I'm so happy. I am so excited for winter. I had enough of the summer for a while, so I'm excited. But I'm watching Charm right now. Richard went to go get a haircut, and yeah, do you guys want to see our room for the moment? Because yeah, it's crazy. So right now this is how it looks. We took the frame and left it out there, but right now that is how it looks. We have the TV, Ozzie's bed. So once Friday comes, we're just going to put the sheet over the bed and then suck it all up. I don't know how it's going to work because our vacuum is conking out from time to time, so hopefully it works just for that couple of seconds that we needed to for the bed to get all nice and thin. But yeah, it's just a lot and I'm not ready for it. You guys, we're at Walmart right now, and this is the earliest that we've ever been at Walmart. It's like 9:50 and everyone's in the candy aisle getting all the candy because it's 50% off. So me and Richard were like, let's just get a bag. As you guys can see, literally the power is off. So we're gonna actually take the food with us since we're gonna go to the other apartment because we have to drop Ozzie off in the other apartment and hopefully he's okay. So yeah.
Before we were able to finish, we got a little bit more left.
Quick she is. Alright, you guys, she is puffy again. Pretty happy. guys, so we just came back from Costco. Now we're going to Smith's. Costco was insane. Absolutely insane, you guys. Like, it was insane. But we only got like a few things, so we didn't have a lot, so we went to the self-checkout. Now we're just going to Smith's, get a few other things, and then go home, cook breakfast, even though it's 12:45. We just haven't eaten, so yeah, let's go. Got our chairs, our temporary chairs for now, for this table right here. So, hey boy, hey, you're so cute. Hey guys, we're back in the old place. We're just gonna get some totes, our TV, but it's just so crazy how like empty it feels, and it doesn't even smell like us anymore. Like, it's done to smell like your typical like apartment. But I was just like talking to Richard, and I was like, like all the memories, you know, like seeing Ozzy come in and stuff, and the bathroom, the closet. Like, this was our bathroom here. Obviously it's not cleaned yet. We're not cleaning it yet since we have like a few things, but yeah. I'm just taking down the curtains. So yeah, let's get it on. So I'm gonna make myself some French toast. I'm so hungry. I didn't eat last night, you guys, because I ate, but I ate like around 2. After that, I didn't eat anything except for 2 bananas and a lot of water. I passed out so quick that it was like, whoo! I was so tired that I literally had absolutely zero energy to do absolutely anything. So I was like, F it, I'm just going to sleep because I can't even keep my eyes open. I was slurring my words. I was just like, yeah, I'm out. Yeah, good night, everybody. So I woke up so hungry. So let's go make some French toast. P.S. I'm not a cook. I'm not a cook whatsoever. I actually don't like cooking. And so this recipe I'm just getting off Pinterest. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so it is actually pretty good. It's just a little bit flat, but it actually tastes really good. I think I put enough cinnamon and vanilla extract. It's really delicious and just really, I wouldn't say fluffy because it got, I don't know, like it got a little smushed. I don't know, come on, focus. It will not focus. Good enough for me though.
Looking at the treetops, they're covered in snow. Listen to the laughter, yeah, everyone's home. 반짝이는 빛 속에 설레이는 이 밤. It's the night before Christmas, the night before Christmas. Children are singing, joyful music fills the air. The love all around us, I can feel it everywhere. The night for you and I, 사실도 특별한 이 밤. It's the night before Christmas, the night before Christmas. 지금 이 순간 널 위해 나 이렇게 노래할래. 따뜻한 마음으로 안아줄게. I'll be here. Jingle bells are ringing, just like this Christmas feeling. 사랑 가득한 겨울밤, it's the night before Christmas.
So we cleaned everything. Literally cleaned this bathtub, the toilet, everything. We even did the carpet. So fingers crossed that we get our deposit back.